Jonah brain dead.
Jonah.
I've been off the rails.
Jonah is off the rails.
We need to get him a train. All right. I think I have biscuit gravy up my nose.
And the best part is, oh my. We'll clear that. All right.
McAllister's so smart. I don't care what anyone says about him.
They always say he's the dumbest person in the office, but I just don't believe that.
And who says that? They.
They. Who's they? I don't know. Well, if we're editing this today like we want to, you must be feeling great.
That's his legs. No, Jonah Survivor.
How long can I withstand this?
How long can you? How long do you think you could go with? What's his name? Dobnob.
Dobnob.
What's his name?
Ogdo Bogdo.
How long could Jonah survive with Ogdo Bogdo?
Have you ever seen such human design?
Jonah, may I get a wow?
Wow. my ligment's coming back. Cough break.
It works. Jonah, what does this say?
Fire sale. Fire sale.
On the
McAllister put
$5
fire
table.
all over me. Wow, what beautiful landscapes in Fortnite. It's like a Bob Ross painting. Pretty colors.
Le Boubé Ross.
Happy accidents.
Hey, how's it going, guys? I was about to say Matt.
He's me now.
Zach's pissed because I took his with him in it. I was trying to get it like quick.
I'm gonna ask everybody who their favorite setup is. And I was just like, you're not gonna give me any warning.
No, it is what it is.
Dude, McAllister has a monkey and a seal on it.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, everybody.
I should have asked him. Like, we have some employees in the office who hypothetically love holes.
They may try to fit stuff anywhere.
All right. Are you guys ready to come for the future? That'll be cool, yeah. Size comparison.
Yeah.
Just have your wiener just in there.
It's about,
Be like, here's it compared to 2 inches.
a mini PC and a mini PC.
Are you recording this?
Yeah, I'm recording
Oh
it.
God. Come for the future.
No, not a normal one. You have to use an LTT one.
When are the ToastyBros screwdrivers coming out? We should make some really janky ones where we just like buy the Dollar Tree ones and then put our logo on them. This video is going downhill.
Fastly. Oops, I lost a foot.
You're gonna have people raving when you said higher end gaming PC territory for $700.
Higher end,
You're
baby.
gonna be like, you gotta spend 3. That's budget. We want to be certified. Jonah.
He has an intro. Oh, he has
You
one.
ready for this?
All right, here we go.
We're gonna f up this. Yeah, I'm playing. I swear on Gun Run, I never go against people who are just okay. It's always like, I get teammates that lick doorknobs and I go against savages. All right.
My God, they're so loud. German 100. There we go.
And maybe entry, I assume 1440p.
Yeah, I benchmarked everything at 1440.
We're beyond entry.
We're beyond entry at this point.
All right.
We've been all used and abused.
Oh, well, it says the following scope does not fall within the scope of the product. That's what it is.
What?
See how it makes this feel.
How does it feel? Sermon on sermon.
Let's try some more semen.
Oh.
Some of that, as Jack Harlow once says, sweet, sweet semen.
Sweet, sweet semen.
Gargle it out.
Gargle up that sweet, sweet semen, right, McAllister?
Excuse me, cameraman? What about gargling?
The way you looked into the camera is so weird.
It's like people walk around the gym that wear shirts that say, it's supposed to be hard.
Talking about their wiener.
My cock. There's an arrow pointing down. How's it going?
She's going.
Oh, wow, McAllister got all that.
Cal's just like, these guys are gay
Oh,
as hell.
you've been just going straight.
Wait, it never stops?
No, I never.
Wow. If you want to pick up any of these, actually, I don't like how I said that. All right. I've been incredibly impressed with the price of the.
Here, wait, don't move, Matt. Wait, Jonah, stop. Come here. Come where I'm at. I'm gonna have you replace me and I want you to say peace out. And then McAllister's just gonna randomly stitch that in.
McAllister's probably not going to stitch that in, but.
So just the part where I go peace out, Jonah, you say peace out after Matt.
All right.
And now Jonah says peace out. All right. Peace out.
Yes. All right, stop it right now.
Let's keep going. We're already at 32 minutes. All right, guys, we just got done benchmarking the, what do I call it? The lion.
The chameleon.
The chameleon, yeah. Bert.
Okay, I'm gonna like.
The guy's on the way right now with this gaming PC, and we are very excited. And then hopefully McAllister can just stitch the rest of that together. Fuck you, McAllister.
Yeah, you suck. So much. Merch.
We're
Follow Jonah. Get him. Get him.
But let me.
I think you already started recording.
Did.
Didn't you?
Yeah, I'm good.
McAllister? Dumb? Gay? Femboy? Yeah, don't do it. Don't do it.
Sorry, confusing signals.
McAllister's probably like, just like, what the fuck are they yelling at you?
Put on a new one.
Yeah, I would do that just for the vertical, because McAllister always looks for the vertical.
McAllister would suck for the truck fit.
Today's video, but let's not.
Crap anymore.
Ah!
You get a 5500 XT. That's
Whoa!